Good day guys, I welcome you specially on this tutorial on how to cut, split and add transition like a pro when editing your videos. Without wasting much of our time, by now I know that all of you already know what is called what? CapCut. So we'll be using CapCut in this video. Without wasting much of our time, we dive into the app. So when you open your CapCut like this, so I will be explaining few things. This place is called to import new video. So as you can see, this is your project. Some CapCut, the project stays like this. So in some CapCut it looks like this, depending on the type of CapCut you are using. For me, I'm using Pro CapCut. So without wasting much of our time, we dive in. So this place is called clip in your CapCut. This is called clip. Whether it is an image or video, it is called clip. Whatever that is in this place is called clip. So let me explain next thing before I dive into cut, split and add transition like a pro. If you duplicate this, this is called duplicate. So it will make it to be two. If you duplicate it now and overlay it, drag it, so this is going to be two clip. We have two clip in this now, so that is clip. Here is called clip. Everything in this part is called what? Clip. That is that for that. All right, then we are talking about split, cut and delete. So when editing in your video, make sure you remove this ending part. It is called the original CapCut watermark, so you got to remove it. All right, so you got to remove it. So this, we are having one clip now in this our video, one clip. So I will be explaining something shortly. This is called what? This is called, it is an arrow that is showing you the exact place you are editing. This particular white button here, this white arrow that goes round, it is showing you the exact place you are editing. So if I move my clip to this place, it means that whatever I will be doing in this clip now, I'll be doing it in this place. So the effect of what I'll be doing will not take place in this side, it will take place in this place, because this arrow is pointing at this part. So when we talk about split is to cut. It's just like cutting something, you understand? So for example, let's look at this video, let's know what he's talking about.
Is to take the risk.
This video now is talking about is to take the risk. Thanks be to God. If you watch this video now, you know that at the starting part to this point,
Is to take the risk.
to this point, the old man has not made any comment. So what are we going to be doing now? So I don't want this part. It is called unnecessary part, like the unwanted part when editing. That is the part you guys to split and delete it. So what will I be doing? I'll just position it to exact this place I want to split. I will now tap on what? Once you position it, you will either tap, I'm coming. All right, once you position it, you will either, there are two ways to split. Either you tap on the main clip, then it will bring you to this place where you are seeing split, where you are seeing split. Do you get it now? Or if it is like this, you just tap on this edit. So when you tap on the edit, it will bring you to this part. Then you will tap on what? Split. So I will be practicalizing everything here. When I tap on split, as you can see, we now has this something like this. We now has two clip, like two different clip in one row. You understand now? Two different clip in one row. So as you can see, we have that, we have this clip. So I don't want this particular place, I don't want here. So what will I do? I will just highlight it. What is called highlight is just to tap on the main clip, it will highlight. So this white thing that goes round like this is showing you that this particular clip that is at the left hand side is already what highlighted. So if I tap on this side, it means that the clip at my right hand side is already what highlighted. So you highlight the particular clip you want to do what you want to delete. So I will just highlight this. How to highlight it? You tap on the clip. Once I'm done with that, I'll just tap on what delete. So as you can see, automatically that particular clip has been what deleted. So I will be giving you bonus on this CapCut and on this CapCut tricks. So let's assume you deleted something and you want to get it back. So what do you guys to do? You just press on this part. When you tap on it, that clip will do what will come back. So that is it. The next thing is how to add transition. So as you can see, watch this arrow. This is called what? At this particular point, these are the place that you can add transition. Transition are just like something that it makes your video more engaging, you understand? So the video will not be too boring. So when you tap on it, it will bring you to different features, you understand? There are countless, there are many. So you just choose the transition you want to use there. So depending on your preference, you choose any transition. Let us assume, for example, I'll be making use of this. So let me just find one. I'll be making use of this black. Do you get it now? So as you can see, the video will just, when it got to, you see it, that is transition. So the next thing I will be explaining in this place is what? Animation. So what is called animation? Animation is just like transition, but they are different. Like animation makes it more engaging than transition, so you can use both of them while editing your video. So to add animation, you tap on the particular clips you want to add the animation. We have in and out animation, same thing apply, in and out animation. So when you highlight on the clips, it will bring you to this point. You will see this animation. So you just tap on it. So once you tap on it, as you can see, there are countless animation. So if you are using free CapCut, so you can use the free ones, but for this pro CapCut. So when you tap on this place, these are the animations. So these are the out animation. Let me just practicalize one thing. So for instance, let's use zoom. You see it, that is how the video started. Let me say that particular clip want to fade out, so I can just add blur out.
Is to take the risk.
So you can just reduce it small so that it will not. Do you see it? I can just keep it to something like 1 second.
Is to take the risk.
So
Is to take the risk.
So that is it. What else? I don't want this video to be long. Maybe in the next video I'll be explaining more things on CapCut, how to edit with it and other things. So if you want the video, if you find this valuable, just comment how to edit on CapCut, so I will make tutorial on it and drop on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share this video to others that are finding it difficult on how to cut, split and delete some things on CapCut just as a beginner. So as you are doing that, you are helping us. Thanks so much, and don't forget to turn on notifications so that anytime we drop videos you will get value from it. Thanks.